Simplest form of a surd. A surd of order n is said to be in its simplest form if its radicand has no factor which is the nth power of a rational number. We are learning here how to write down a surd in the simplest form. Now we learn by an example square root of 27. 27 is the radicand here and the order of the surd is 2. First of all, factorize this given radicand in the prime factors. Now factorize this 27 in this way vertically, and the factors are 3 into 3 into 3. Order of the surd is 2. So that make the group of two same factors. I have made the group of these two, and for this group we can take a single outside of the square root. That means this group is get free, and for that group we take a single and it is outside of the square root in multiplication. But this square root remains to this 3, remaining 3. We can't factorize this 3. It is not the square of any number because order is 2. That's why it is not the square of any number. That's why it remains in the square root and we cannot factorize this. And it is called as the simplest form of this given surd. The values of these two are equal, but this is the simplest form. Second example, square root of 98. Find out the factors of prime factors of 98. Factorize in this way vertically, and the prime factors are, write down in the square root of 2 into 7 into 7. Order of the surd is 2. Now make the group of two same factors. 7 and 7 both are same. That's why I have made the group of these two. For this group, take a single outside of the square root. This square root remains to this 2. This 2 is not the square of any number. We can't factorize this. That's why it is the simplest form. This radicand has no factor. And these two are equal. This is the simplest form. Example number third, square root of 128. Find out the prime factors of this given radicand 128. Factorize vertically in this way. Write down the prime factors in the square root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times 2. Write down in the square root. Now the order of the surd is 2. Make the group of two same factors. This is the first group formed here. Form the second group of same numbers. Form the third group of same numbers. Now for each group take a single outside of the square root. For this group take a single. For this group take a single. All are in multiplication, and multiplication sign is here also. This square root remains to this 2, which not forming the pair with any other. That's why it remains in the square root. Do the product of the numbers which are outside of the square root. Actually, this is the rational part. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 square root of 2. Now, this 2 is the radicand and it has no factor which is the nth power. That means square of any number. We cannot factorize this again to get the any square. so that it is the simplest form. This given surd and this simplest form both are equal. Fourth example, square root of 72. Factorize 72 in this way. Write down the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Order of the surd is 2. In the 9th standard, we are learning the examples whose order is 2 only. Make the group of two same factors. These two factors are same, underline it. These two factors are same, underline it. For this group, take a single. For this group, take a single in the multiplication. This square root remains to this 2. We do not factorize this again. It has no factor which is the square of any number. Do the product of these two numbers which are outside of the square root. 2 3s are 6. 6 into square root of 2, that means 6 square root of 2, and it is the simplest form of the given surd. The given surd and this simplest form, these two are equal. Both are equal. In this way, we have to write down the simplest form of the surds. Now I am giving you some examples to solve.